Alrighty guys, good morning. It's day number 2 of our $1,800 a week challenge. We're back at it again, bright and early. It is 9:30, so a little bit later than yesterday when we started dashing. But you know what? That's okay. We have our first order here from McDonald's showing $6.25. I think going like maybe 3 miles, maybe less. Just a great order to start our day out, you know, because all you need, see with me, as soon as I just get one order so we can just start the day and have some money in the bag, that's all it takes. And then after that, like the floodgates open, you know, to either really good orders, really crappy orders, whatever it might be. But yeah, so we're basically like $1 and some change behind our goal, and that's mainly because I couldn't dash past like 7:45 I think, or 8 yesterday, because of what happened with my buddy. His car died again. We jumped it, he got it started, and he was gonna go see a mechanic today in the morning at some point, because I told him he can't keep his car can't keep dying. You know, like what if I actually can go jump it one of these days, you know? So anyways, we're gonna go get this picked up. We'll see you guys back on the road. Alrighty guys, as we were making our way back to the town center, we got this offer here from Tropical Smoothie showing $6.75, like 3.3 miles. I think it's a great breakfast order, especially because Tropical Smoothie is really fast. So I'm pretty sure the drink should be ready. So we'll see you guys back on the road. Guys, we're back on the road, and when we were at Tropical Smoothie, they actually sent me a stack offer, $5, less than a mile. Now, normally I probably wouldn't have taken it, but I saw that the food was ready, less than a mile, $5 for breakfast. I think that's pretty decent, so we went ahead and picked that up as well. So now, yeah, now we're back on the road. We're gonna be there in about 8 minutes. We'll see you guys later. Alrighty guys, we got both orders dropped off. We're currently sitting at $18 for the whole dash, so that's not bad. Currently 10-12, so that's about maybe 40 minutes worth of work, so we'll take it. You know, making our way back towards the town center. Hopefully we get something soon, because again, with this start a little bit later today, but I don't think that made much of a difference really, because yesterday breakfast was really slow. So yeah, again, I think if we're gonna do $300 today, it will take us more than 30 deliveries, I think, or more, at least more than 25, assuming we get some big ones. I don't know. You can't rely on that. I can't rely on that, because every day is different. So we definitely have to grind from the very beginning to the very end, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So today we're gonna dash until we get to 300. Hopefully it won't be anything later than 9, or maybe 8:30, but we'll see. Yesterday we were basically almost there, but that was with an $82 order that we had, so that was a big cushion. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alrighty guys, so we just left McDonald's. I was heading over here to get a coffee, because I'm a little bit sleepy, but then they gave me this offer showing $6.25, 2.5 miles, I think. The items don't really matter because half of them are like sauces, but luckily the food was ready. The only downside is that I forgot to order my coffee, so it's a bummer for me. Hey, by another order, we'll take it, So we're about 5 minutes from the drop-off. We're already doing better than yesterday for breakfast, at least. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, so we dropped off the order from McDonald's, right? Not a problem. When we were coming back to the town center, look at the order that I was offered. It's from someplace I never heard of. Blue Zucchini Catering. 19 items, 19.9 miles for $45.17, plus a $2 on-time pay. Now, look, the biggest issue with this order is where I'm ending. First of all, that's a whole nother state. That's Maryland. That's a whole 3 other zones away. Theoretically, it would take me probably almost 30 to 40 minutes just to get there with no traffic, then 30 to 40 minutes to come back. So it didn't make sense. Now, if that would have been $100, even $80, I might have done it, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. But for 45, I don't think so. Would you guys have taken this order? Let me know. Alrighty guys, quick little update. It's currently 11:15 and we haven't done a single order for lunch yet. Lunch is just like yesterday, nothing but crickets. Ooh, and as I say that, we're gonna take our first order here from lunch from Silver Diner. Let me take the screenshot here. From Silver Diner, showing $6.25, 3 items, 2.2 miles. Best order I've seen by far. So we're gonna go get that picked up. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, we got the order from Silver Diner all picked up. So we're about 4 minutes away from the drop off, currently 11:20, so we should be done by 11:25. So technically a really good order because the food was ready, so no waiting, but definitely a weird start to my lunch. Similar to yesterday. The only difference is yesterday we got that big order that was showing $25.50, so we'll see how it goes. We'll keep you guys in. Alrighty guys, we just got the latest order dropped off from Silver Diner. Now we're heading back to the town center. It's currently 11:26 in the morning. We're sitting at $31, so again, it was a good thing we came out for breakfast, build up a little bit of a cushion, because honestly, lunch is really, really slow. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the next delivery. After what felt like forever, we finally have another order here from Total Wine showing $9, 2 items. I think it's almost 3 miles. The main reason why I took it is because I said it was 2 items, so we can get that shot for and deliver fairly quickly. Because right now, this lunch has been super, super dead. So I don't know if I'm regretting not taking that $45 order. I still don't think I am. But it might be too soon to tell. So we'll see how it goes. Just dropped off the order from Total Wine. It ended up being $9, just like it was shown. Then I got this offer here from Grill Kebab. I mean, I took it, you know, showing $17.25, like 10 or 11 miles. And to be honest, I'm only going to do it if the food is ready when I get there, because Grill Kebab is really, really slow. I don't think there's anything on top of this. I think $17.25 is exactly what we're going to get, kind of like the order yesterday. I think this is a true payout because of the distance and the miles. So, I mean, if I can do this quickly, then it's not a problem. But if I get there and they tell me it's going to be 10 or 15 minutes, we're probably on a sign. Because like I said, they are really, really slow. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so I'm about 5 minutes away from the Grill Kebab. And let's hope the food's ready, guys. So the food was ready. So I went ahead and picked it up. We're on our way now, about 60 minutes away from the drop-off. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, just dropped off the order. And I'm glad to be wrong, because it ended up being $25 and some change. So yeah, that was awesome. Currently sitting at 65.52. It's 12:30, and it's gonna take me 15 minutes to get back to my area. Now, if we get something along the way here, just like yesterday, I'm not opposed to it. This is a great area. I just don't like the parking. There's a lot of offices here. I haven't dashed here like in this zone on purpose in a long time. Back in the day when like I couldn't schedule myself, I would have to come here sometimes, because this is the only place that would always have open availability because it's so busy. But it's just a really small area, and like I said, the parking is absolutely terrible. So yeah, so we'll see you guys when we get back, or we get another order. Alrighty, guys. So it's currently 12:55 in the afternoon. We did get an order here from Nando's, but I had to unassign it because when I walked in, they had one cashier and one guy working the grill. The line was out the door. There was no way I was gonna wait for that food. And then right away, we got this order here from Chick-fil-A, showing $6.25, less than 2 miles. So we're gonna go ahead and get that picked up. See you guys at the drop. Alrighty, guys, so there's one good thing about using my other phone as my dash phone, is that I know for a fact that the DoorDash app is garbage. It's not my phone, because it can't be both phones. Anyways, my location is not being tracked. What else is new? Just dropped off the order from Chick-fil-A, it was just $6.25, just like it was shown. We're currently sitting at, let's see, $71.77 at 1:05 in the afternoon. So again, not bad, not bad. Definitely not the banger start that we had yesterday, but that's okay. So today's gonna be one of those grind days, and I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. I'm here for it. Hopefully we get orders. We'll see you guys on the next one. Alrighty, guys, we have our next order here from Super Chicken, I think, showing like 9.25, maybe like 6 miles. I was about 2 miles away from the restaurant. The reason why I took it is Super Chicken is super fast. So I know the food is ready. We can knock this out in about 12 minutes or so. And you know what? Can beat that, you know, getting 9.25 at least for 12 minutes worth of work. Sounds like a deal to me. So the only downside here would be if the food's not ready, but I highly doubt it. I'm about 2 minutes away from the Super Chicken. We'll see you guys at the drop. Alrighty, guys, the Super Chicken order was ready, and let me tell you, man, it smells delicious. Which is nothing worse than delivering food when you're hungry. So I think after this, I'm gonna have to stop by and get me some type of food, some type of nourishment, so we can keep it going. But yeah, so we're gonna be about 10 minutes early to the drop-off, which is great. We're about 4 minutes away, 4 miles away, so we'll see you guys then. Alrighty, guys, we were just getting back to the town center when I got this order from Willard's Barbecue, showing 11.50. I think it's like 6 miles. Most of the miles are from the restaurant to the customer. It is going kind of far, but we're gonna go ahead and risk it because it's showing us 11.50, right? But it's a supper for 6. It's over $100 worth of food, but it didn't say catering bag required. So now again, I'm not sure how you get a catering bag order, you know, how the customer triggers that, or is it DoorDash? I don't know. All I know is that a supper for 6 is always an expensive item, so I'm gonna go ahead and risk it. It is technically 2 to 5, you know, or 155 at least. So I think it's either gonna make or break or 2 to 5, but I have a good feeling about it. I guess worst case scenario will be one step closer to $100. We're currently sitting at $81.02, but I think after this order, we're gonna be at $100, if not more. That's how good I feel about it. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes. See you guys in a bit. Guys, we got the food all picked up here from Willard's, and interestingly enough, once I said that I was there, the catering thing came up. Not to take a photo of it, but the little reminder, you get larger orders if you have a catering bag, all that good stuff. Then once I actually picked up the order, it said that it was a gift order. So I've never seen that before on a food order, especially this expensive. I've seen it on like Total Wine orders, I think some flowers, but never on food, much less over the $100 worth of food. And I'm not gonna lie, that kind of scares me a little bit because I feel like people always forget to tip when they're doing a gift order. But I guess we'll find out in about 9 minutes. Hopefully they didn't. Alrighty guys, just dropped off the order. It was kind of a pain, to be honest, because the doorbell didn't work and I was knocking on the door. I tried calling Donna, who originally placed the order. She said, hey, it's for Beth. And I'm like, I know it's for Beth, but she's not answering her door. So Miss Donna contacted Beth. Beth opened the door. We gave her her gift. And everybody won because it ended up having a $22 payout, I think. I'll put it on the screen here for you guys. So we're sitting at $103 with 53 cents. So, you know, luckily my intuition worked out. My gut feeling, the vibes we got from the original offer. Now, had I known it was a gift order, I don't know if that would have influenced me or not. I feel like if I would have known it was a gift order, I might have not taken it, to be honest. But it doesn't tell you that, so it kind of doesn't really matter. So now we're making our way back towards the town center. It's going to be about a 12-minute drive. We'll see you guys on the next delivery. Alrighty, guys. After what felt like maybe 25 to 30 minutes, we finally have another order here from Chick-fil-A. I think it was showing like $8.75. I already forgot, to be honest. All I know is that it looked like a good offer, so we took it. We just picked it up. We're about 7 minutes away from the drop-off. So I'm finally glad that we're doing another order because the last half an hour or so have been awful. Alrighty guys, just delivered the order here from Chick-fil-A. We're sitting just shy of $115. So doing pretty good, all things considered. Hopefully it picks up. But yeah, we'll see you guys on the next delivery. Guys, we're still making our way back to the town center. And then I got this offer from Paisanos showing like $5.75, one item, 4 miles. But it said catering bag required. I couldn't see the subtotal or the number of items. It just said unknown number. So I don't know what's up with that. But I know for a fact there's no way that's over $100. So maybe they meant like a pizza bag. I don't know. Part of me kind of, you know, wishes that I could see the payout or like the subtotal to see like, you know, is this a hidden tip? I don't think so. I've never seen them do a hidden tip on a $5.75. You know, unless it's like a stock offer maybe, and then even then it's kind of really strange. So we're not gonna take that order. Making our way back to the town center, like I said. Hopefully we get something soon. If not, we're just gonna chill until we do. We'll see you guys on the next delivery. Alrighty guys, just picked up our next order here from the Madeline, showing $6.25. I think like 3.5 miles. Honestly, it's a decent 2 to 5 order, and we're not in any position to, you know, decline good orders like this. So we went ahead and picked it up. And look at the comments the lady put. She put, you know, her driveway is kind of long, kind of hard to find. Typically she meets people by the driveway, but today she can't walk, so I'm gonna be her lifesaver. So maybe it'll be like the last order that had a comment. Maybe the comment's irrelevant, maybe the comment's old, or maybe it's true, you know. So we'll see how that goes. I don't think I've ever been there before. That doesn't sound familiar, but I'm sure we can figure it out without bothering her, especially if she can't walk, you know. But yeah, we're about 6 minutes away, so we'll see you guys after the drop. Alrighty guys, so we just dropped the order off. It wasn't too hard to find. So, and she ended up tipping us $10. So you know what? I'll be her lifesaver every day for that. You know, so totally worth it. You know, on the surface, it was just showing at $6.25, 3.5 miles. And then it ended up being $12.25 for 3.5 miles. So then we're sitting at 126. Not too bad. Currently 3:55 in the afternoon. Let's keep it going, you guys. After what felt like a long time, we finally have another order here from Total Wine, showing $10, 4.5 miles. To be fair, I'm about 2 to 3 miles away from the Total Wine, but I took it because I know that I can get this knocked out fairly quickly, and it's $10. Miles are kind of low when you really think about it. So we're gonna go ahead and get the shop for. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, we just dropped off the order here from Total Wine, and then right away we were getting a bunch of garbage. Like, I mean, like awful offers. I got paused like 2 or 3 times, and then we got this order from Chick-fil-A showing $6.25, like 2.5 miles, I think. So I said, you know what? Let's go ahead and just do this order so we can do an order, you know, and keep the ball rolling, because honestly, it's been a really rough 2 to 5 today. I think we're currently sitting at like 136. So after this, we'll be around 142 at least. So again, you know, we're a little behind, but I'm still in good spirits. Let's keep it going. Guys, after dropping the Chick-fil-A order off, I got this order from Bonchon showing like $7. I think like 3 miles. I took it because, again, it's just really slow. So I'm taking anything that makes sense, anything that's decent, we're going to take. And then they stacked it with a Five Guys order, So we're gonna go get those picked up. We'll see you guys. We got the food all picked up from both places. Bonchon was ready, not a problem. Five Guys, it's not the move tonight. They have a new guy working the fries. And you know what? That's not really the problem. The problem is nobody's helping him. So he's so behind with the walk-in orders, then you gotta add the online orders and the DoorDash orders. So anyways, after waiting there for way too long, we got the order picked up. And it's interesting that he wants me to deliver the second order first, when my first one is ice cream. So, I mean, I'm just doing what DoorDash tells me to do, you know. So anyways, we're 5 minutes away from the first drop off. We'll see you guys in a bit. Hopefully you can see me okay. So we got those orders dropped off, and I know that I said I wasn't gonna go back to Five Guys, but when we went back to Five Guys, the order was showing like $6.25. I think it was 2 miles or less. So luckily the second time around it wasn't as bad. So we picked it up, dropped that off, and then we got this order here from Total Wine. Same thing, super small. We got it done in like 12-13 minutes. I think after that we got this offer here. It was a stack offer from Chipotle and North Italia showing $14.75. And honestly, it might not seem all that great for a stack offer, but it's the best one that I've gotten all night, because everything else was way too many miles, going way too far, or from like really slow merchants. So we're gonna go ahead and get this dropped off. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, so we just dropped off the last two orders here on stack offers. Ended up being $20.75, so about $6 more than what was shown. You know how DoorDash be doing stuff, always hiding tips and whatnot. But we're gonna have to call it a night, because I've had a huge headache the last hour and a half. Honestly, I thought it would get better. I've drank plenty of water. I took some over-the-counter type medicine, and it's just not helping. My head's pounding. It's not even busy. So I figured, you know what? Why don't we just call it a night and take the L, or go home and get sleep. Maybe drink some tea or something. I don't know. It just came out of nowhere, to be honest. I don't know if it's the lights or all the driving. I don't know. But I was feeling good before, so hopefully it goes away. But yeah, so we finished at $193 with 53 cents, which I think is still pretty respectable when you think about it. Only 20 deliveries, so not as busy as yesterday. But hopefully tomorrow will be a much better day. But yeah, I'll toss up all my numbers here for you guys to see. Again, I still feel pretty good about it. I know we're a little behind the goal for the week, but we still got plenty of time to make up for it. But anyways, guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow. You all be safe. Take care.